Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create an ebook using ChatGPT and sell it on Amazon. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT on your browser. Next, choose a topic or niche for your ebook, such as a self-help, business, or tutorials. Then here, ask the ChatGPT to generate an outline by typing, create an ebook outline for the topic. And after that, generate each chapter by prompting write chapter 1 based on its outline. Repeat this process until your ebook is complete. You can also ask the ChatGPT to edit and improve your content, like make it more professional, add examples and details, and improve readability. Next, format your ebook using tools like Microsoft Word or Canva, then export it as PDF or docx file. And after that, go to Amazon and use the KDP or the Kindle Direct Publishing to upload your ebook. Add your title, description, cover, and price, then publish it. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.